Hey, this is Tata, Mr. Cloud. I hope you've been lifting your weights because I am. I'm working on this neck. It's gonna be thick and black. It's gonna be black thick. My neck. Get on it. Don't slack. This is my second set. Not a whole lot. Only 10 pounds. Oh, hell yeah. I feel it in my neck. I'm not gonna go quite to failure because this is my neck and I've forgot the guy I was researching, but you don't want to hurt your neck. It doesn't take a whole lot to stimulate growth. Not that I'm super concerned with growth right now. I'm kind of just trying to maintain what I got, but to be completely honest, I feel like even though I've been fasting really hard, I've gotten, whether it's looks physical on my body, like the 75s I've been working with are a lot lighter than they were a couple weeks ago. Ooh, of course, I'm not curling that or anything. Oh, I feel that. I feel that. It feels good. I'm gonna keep doing sets today. I want to get a full body pump. Ta-ta for now.